Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The manual coffee grinder serves as a fundamental tool for anyone looking to elevate their daily coffee routine from a simple task to a more deliberate process. At its core, this device is designed to bridge the gap between pre-ground coffee and the high-end precision of expensive electric mills. This particular model, finished in a clean white aesthetic, focuses on the mechanical simplicity of hand cranking to achieve a consistent grind. By moving away from automated blades and toward a manual burr system, the grinder prioritizes the integrity of the coffee bean. It functions through a direct physical connection between the user and the grinding mechanism, allowing for a slower, more controlled breakdown of the beans, which helps prevent heat buildup during the process. This approach is rooted in the idea that the quality of a cup of coffee is determined largely by the uniformity of the grounds, and a manual tool like this aims to provide that consistency in a compact, accessible package. When examining the build and design of the grinder, the choice of materials plays a significant role in its overall utility. The exterior features a minimalist white finish that offers a clean look for a modern kitchen or a travel kit. However, the most critical components are found on the inside. This grinder utilizes stainless steel burrs rather than the ceramic alternatives often found in entry-level models. Stainless steel is generally preferred in the coffee community for its sharpness and its ability to maintain a precise edge over long periods of use. These burrs are housed within a body that is designed to be narrow enough for a comfortable grip, which is essential when applying the force necessary to crush harder, light roast beans. The handle is detachable, which significantly reduces the footprint of the device when it is not in use. This design choice makes it easy to slide into a backpack or a kitchen drawer. The internal axle is supported by a structure intended to minimize wobble, ensuring that the distance between the burrs remains constant throughout the rotation. The catch cup at the bottom screws on securely, preventing any grounds from escaping during the more vigorous movements of the grinding process. The performance of a coffee grinder is measured by its versatility and the quality of the output it produces. This model features an adjustment system with 30 clicks per rotation, which allows for a high degree of customization. This granularity matters because different brewing methods require specific particle sizes to extract flavor correctly. For instance, a Moka pot requires a relatively fine grind to create the necessary pressure, while a French press needs a much coarser, salt-like consistency to avoid over-extraction and bitterness. The ability to toggle through these settings with tactile clicks gives the user a repeatable way to find their preferred size. Because the stainless steel burrs cut the beans rather than smashing them, the resulting grounds have a more uniform surface area. This uniformity is vital because it ensures that water flows through the coffee bed evenly, preventing the sourness that comes from under-extracted large chunks or the harshness that comes from fine dust. In a practical sense, the performance of this grinder means that a single piece of equipment can handle a wide range of coffee styles, from a concentrated drip filter to a full-bodied immersion brew. This grinder is best suited for a few specific types of users who value quality but may not want to commit to a bulky or loud electric machine. It is an ideal choice for the frequent traveler or the outdoor enthusiast who wants fresh coffee while camping or staying in hotels. Since it requires no electricity, it is entirely self-sufficient, making it a reliable companion for environments where power outlets are unavailable. It also appeals to the home user who lives in a small apartment or shares a living space where the loud roar of an electric grinder might be disruptive in the early morning hours. Beyond the convenience factors, it is a solid entry point for someone who is just beginning to explore specialty coffee. It provides the professional-grade benefit of stainless steel burrs without the high price tag of motorized units. It is also a practical choice for those who only brew 1 or 2 cups at a time, as the manual effort required is minimal for smaller quantities of beans. In a balanced assessment, this manual coffee grinder offers a clear trade-off between convenience and quality. On one hand, it requires physical effort and time, which might not be ideal for someone who needs to brew large carafes of coffee for a family or a busy office. The manual process can take anywhere from 30 seconds to over a minute depending on the grind size and the hardness of the beans. However, for the price of approximately $37, it provides a level of grind consistency that is often superior to electric blade grinders in the same price bracket. It is a durable, well-constructed tool that focuses on the essentials of coffee preparation. While it may lack the speed of an automated system, it compensates with portability, quiet operation, and a high degree of control over the final product. Ultimately, it is a functional and straightforward device that serves as a reliable middle ground for those seeking better coffee through better equipment without a massive financial or spatial investment. Roughly $40 at the time of writing, it stands as a practical option for anyone looking to refine their brewing process through a more hands-on approach. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.